I will also be building stairs in the front. Since the structure is almost the same as the deck, the rim joist will look like a stair riser. I start working on that. The downspout bracket overlapped the rim joist by about 2 centimeters at the bottom, so I remove it and reinstall it slightly lower. For extra hold, I glue the rim joist and screw it in from the inside. I thought about screwing it in from the front, which the designer said would be fine, but I didn't like the idea of visible screws on the front rim joist, so I secured it from the inner beam side instead. I've built a lot of decks, but this is the first time I've used a rim joist for capping along the front beam. Sometimes the rim joists are raised to cover the deck boards, but I haven't tried building that style yet. While I don't mind if rim joists hide the edges of the deck boards, I personally prefer to leave the ends exposed. To me, a real wood deck has the ends of the deck board exposed, with the rim joist simply capping the bottom. This design looks gorgeous on this L-shaped deck. I finished building the frame for the wood deck. This is going to be a big deck. Next time, I'll install the deck boards, railings, and stairs. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.